What's up, guys? This is Chip Charlie doing his own thing. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel if you already subscribed. Come on, that mile is long. There you go. Today I'm going to show how to replace your spark plug 2014 Toyota Prius as well as Gen 3. So first of all, to get access to the spark plug, you have to remove the wipers, which was a 14 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. I kept it off. And remove your cover. And there are a few pinch points, so just beware that you might get cut. So just be mindful of that. It's a metal piece that kind of holds up together, so that also needs to be removed out of the way. So that was 10 millimeters of the spots here, here, and then there's 4 bolts that were here. It's a 10 millimeters, and you can slide off to the side coming off that ledge. So I move all the 10 millibolts here is all separated, but I put together and then will be filmed later, so stay tuned. Gotta remove whole plate. So now plate's out of the way, and then you can, as you can see, being years of the time. Wow. Being ears all around, and you can see all the debris, and even recent collapse with the deer, all the debris here. So I'm gonna go clean up, and we finally have access. Beware if you're not gonna remove these clips here and there. Just beware you don't drop these plates, and you're not gonna damage the wiper. And the real game starts from here. So I'm gonna go disconnect all the connectors here. You can just easily push it in, come off, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna do the 10 millis as well. 10s, and just break the seal. And pull as it goes to. This will be my number 4, number 3, number 2, and the number 1. There you go. The last one. 14 millimeters used for the socket. That's 4 in there. So apparently my socket were not long enough, so it's a tip that you can use like this. It's gonna go for the 4th. There you go. So that was my 4th. Not there anything else, but this time I'm going with the iridium with the NGK. Just hand tight. Just like that, do number 2 and the number 1 as well. Just same as it was. So the sparks have been replaced, and now I'm gonna torque it down. So keeping that in mind. Yeah, 20 Newton is not heavy. 200, I believe. Alright. There you go. Now here I go. They are all my old spark plugs and the coils, and it goes in as it were. Make sure you kind of gotta feel it. If you're really touching inside here, it's kind of touches in place. And I feel snug and good, so I'll move on to the next. And number 3, looking good, feeling good.
Number 2.
All right, locked in place. And lastly, number 1. Now putting it back to 10 millis back in. I'm not sure what's in torque spec on here. This one, I will just go tight as I feel. So as long as it pushes in good, then I call it good. All right, so clip in 3, 4, 2, 1, and I think this is a bleed valve right here. But there you go. You hear 4 clicks, and we should be good to go. Put this metal piece back in place. So putting back screw, 1 spot here. 1 spot here, that corner, that flaps back in, and 1 spot goes up here, come to right, I go with that on the right top, and 1 goes here, in the middle, and 1 front here, and 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Oh, there you go. 1 on the bottom. I'm gonna go over here. 2, 1, 2, and then 1 on the bottom here. So it's tied up and you're good to go. But before you put it go, please hit like and subscribe if my video was helpful. And
It is absolutely free for you, and I would like to get my 1,000 subscribers.
actually, you know what? You gotta find out if engine is good or not. Just firing up. I think it saves your time in case if it goes wrong. All right, gentlemen, start your engines. Come on, fire up. Okay, no engine light, that means firing good. And what's in mileage now? So yeah, I'm a little over, but 120,079. So it's good. Hell yeah, it's running good, so it's good. Running good. No engine light, spark plug. Alright. Wait until. So the silver bolts are clicked in, and now you're gonna put that rubber piece in the groove here. Slide to the right, and you're in place. So here, 4, and then clips, and the clips right here. Clip in. It's good to go. Now lastly, I put an engine cover on. In place, and covers here. Yeah, of course you gotta clip those in, but yep. So lastly, I already kept it. There's 14 and 14 and a 14. Tight as you feel like, just don't lose too much, and this is it. Well done, job done. So there was a 2014 Toyota Prius spark plug replacement. It's complete. Thanks for watching, and maybe I see you next time in 120,000 miles later. So until then, safe drive, and I see you next time.